evaluate the sum of r starting from 1 and ending at end, then the 10 is 2 minus 3r. Now what we're going to do is that the sum of what r starts from 1 to what n of what 2 minus 3r indicate what, put 1 there, but we'll have 2 minus 3 will give us what, minus 1 plus, then put 2, next one will be 2, then 2 minus 2, 3 times 2 is 6, 2 minus 6 is what, minus 4, put 3 here, what I would have, 2 minus 9 will give us what, minus plus minus 7, and so forth and so on. So if you check it, I would have minus 7 is minus 4, and so forth and so on. So in that case, that's how we would have it. So in that case, now I haven't got this now as our value, as our series rather. Now what I want to do is simply to what? To use our what? Sum of the n term. We are looking for sum, because this is sum of everything here. So sum of n term will now be n over 2 to like what, 2a plus n minus 1 times t. So our first term is minus 1. The common difference of minus 4 minus 1, that means the second term minus the first term. So what we are going to have is what? Minus 4 plus 1, which is minus 3. So what do we do now? We are looking for n term. So n term, which is sum of the entire term, now be what? N over 2 into bracket what? 2 into bracket what? Minus what? 1 plus what? N minus 1 into bracket what? Minus 3. So I would have n over 2 into bracket what? Minus 2 plus what? Minus 3 times n or minus 3n. Then minus 3 times minus 1 will give us plus 3. Into bracket what? What? All multiplied by n over 2. So n over 2 to like minus 3 plus minus 2 plus 3 is what? Plus 1. So I would have 1 minus 3n. So this one will give us sum of n10, which is equivalent to sum of what? R1 to n10 of what? 2 minus 3r. So our answer is what? 1 minus 3n, then n all over 2. Which option is that one? The option is what? C. Thank you. See you in my next video.